Alright, so today we're going to look at the potatoes. They are, let's see, today is May 7th. I think I planted them on March 21st. I don't know if you can see them out there or not. Bought a new water hose, because this water hose I have is about 15 years old and it's cheap and dry rotted and all kinds of good stuff. So yeah, here's the potatoes. Need to put some water on them. I can't wait to dig them up, see what we have. Like I got something trying to tunnel in there or something. Here's my tomatoes, an eggplant, have some squash and cucumbers on the back row. I'm going to trellis them up to the fence, so hopefully the squash getting so big won't bother them too bad. And then here's the front 6 are green bell pepper, and that one in the back is a yellow bell pepper. These are my raised beds. They work pretty well. And last year I had all the tomatoes I wanted. Anyways, here's what they look like about a month and a half after planting. Today is May 7th.